Hello everybody, we are here at San Bernardino Community College and we are here at the Back to Broadway night. I am here listening to, we're going to go inside and we're going to listen to my professor. His name's Dell Yount. He was my professor back in 2006 and we are going to go check it out. It was a very interesting story with this professor. So back in 2006, I was a business student at Cal State San Bernardino, and so he comes in the first day of class wearing cowboy boots, and this was just a general education class for me. Everybody had to take it, and we were serious business students and we wanted to do whatever we needed to do, and he came in and said this class is going to be different. And when I saw him in cowboy boots and laying on the floor of our classroom, I knew it was going to be a different class, and it definitely was. So let's go check it out, and thanks for joining the adventure. Take a shot. We're here in front of the studio, and this is a kind of an interesting sign here. It says that the building was built in 1935 and meets the building code for 1935. However, buildings of this age have been known to collapse during a major earthquake. So hopefully, Denise, we don't have an earthquake during.
We can always hope not to have a major earthquake when we're inside any building.
Yeah, but it's a beautiful building inside with the wood inlay and the tiles. Very Spanish revival.
Scurry when I take you out, when I take you out in Surrey with the fringe on top. That's a good one. And in the meadow, there's a bright golden haze on the meadow. The corn is as high as an elephant's eye, and it looks like it's climbing clear up to the sky.
Less fortunate than I, my tender heart tends to start to bleed. And when someone needs a makeover, I simply have to take over. I know exactly what they need. And even in your case, though it's the toughest case I've yet to face, don't worry, I'm determined to succeed. Follow my lead, and yes, indeed, you will be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you
over 20 freaking minutes ago. Oh, the Amazon delivery drone is getting closer now. I'm tracking it as it approaches me. So all you choppers and airplanes and you firefighters, kindly clear the way for my delivery. I used to have to wait a day or two for FedEx, and even longer if I used UPS. Now they send me what I want before I want it, and if I'm not quite sure, their algorithms take a guess. Oh ho, the Amazon delivery drone is landing on my porch. My weight is about to end. It could be toner or better yet a 3D printer. So I'll never have to leave my bedroom again.
Stars that used to twinkle in the sky are twinkling in my eye. I wonder why. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Linden Waddell. We worked together for about 20 years ago. And tonight is the first time we've been back together for a while. So let's show them our love song.
You don't need analyzing. It is not so surprising that you feel very strange but nice. Your heart goes pitter-patter. I know just what's the matter, because I've been there once or twice. Put your head on my shoulder. You need someone who's older, or rub down with a velvet glove. There is nothing you can take to relieve that pleasant ache. You're not sick, you're just in love. Someplace where folks don't count every calorie. Somewhere where they've never heard of cholesterol. Where folks can eat just what they want and still be slim and trim and gaunt. You'll find me where every little thing I taste won't wind up showing on my waist. Or worse,
Oh, take a rap, fellas. I'm her an empty lap, fellas. Darling, never go away again. Looking swell, Donnie. I can tell, Donnie. We're still going, we're still growing, we're still drifting.
If you want to view paradise, simply walk around and view it. Anything you want to, do it. Want to change the world? There's nothing to it. There is no life I know to compare with your imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish Warm-woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things.
When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
And so you know the brain and the wave and wheat and sure smells sweet when the wind comes right behind the rain. Oh, every night my honey lamb, every night we sit alone and talk and watch our hawk making lazy circles in the sky. You know we belong to the land, and the land we belong to brag. And when we say, you're gonna find a Oklahoma, Oklahoma, OKLA, in all the old familiar places that this heart of mine embraces, only through in that small cafe, the park across the way, children's carousel, a chestnut tree, wishing well. I'll be seeing you in every lovely summer's day, in everything that's bright and gay. I'll always think of you that way. I'll find you in the morning sun, and when the night is new, at the moon, but I'll be seeing you. God bless. Safe home. Thank you for being